What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about that red bronzy smoky eye look. Yes, that is the look that we are going to be creating today. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. Okay, so now that we got that all out the way, let's go ahead and get started.
So one of the first things I like to do is color correct any hyperpigmentation. I have hyperpigmentation on my forehead and on my chin, so that is what I'm doing. I'm using a red-orange color to color correct what I am seeing that I want to block out. Usually when you color correct, you use less makeup and less foundation. Now what I'm doing is taking a damp sponge and pressing it into the skin, blended out the color correction along my forehead, down the nose, and on my chin. This part is optional. A lot of people tend to continuously carve out their eyebrows or shape them just to make them look cleaner. I tend to do this because I like the clean look, and yeah, this part is optional. I know some people do this and some people don't do this, but this is just something that I enjoy doing. It just makes it look really clean. What I'm doing now is placing that concealer all over the lid, and so that is going to act as a eyeshadow primer later on throughout this video. This part is also optional. Some people like to carve out the top of their eyebrow. Some people don't. I like to use a shade that is very close to my skin complexion. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a creamy shadow. I believe it's Bare Minerals. They don't make this color anymore, and it is a red brick glittery color. And I'm going to place that all over the lid. I'm using a flat brush to help spread the product evenly. I am now going to take a crease shade in a brick red color and just place that into the center of my crease, blending it out with a fluffy brush to blend out any harsh lines. I thought it was a nice transitional color for the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is our friend. So what you see me doing now is I'm actually taking a deeper color and clean it up, of course. If you have any fallout or if you went too far over, go ahead and clean. Now what I'm doing is taking a red color, a bright red color, and I'm taking the color up into the crease and shaping the outer V with it as well. I like the bright red color because it just gave the colors a little bit more dimension, and we like dimension and depth. Doing that to the other side, swooping it in an upward C motion and bringing it down, spreading the color evenly, and making sure that both sides are even. I'm going in with almost a plum color into the crease and just deepening up my crease a little bit more. I enjoyed the other two colors that I had there, but I just wanted to add, this is my get it face. Now I'm taking my white liner, and it's a liquid liner, and I'm just painting it. You could use black, you could use gold, you could use whatever. Have fun and do you, boo. But I'm going to use white because I like white eyeliner. Any type of graphic liner will do to this part. Okay, so my graphic eyeliner was starting to fade. So what I'm doing now is taking body paint and deepening up the white. I also went in with black to add more depth and definition to the color. And I'm just blending it in, taking a look. Ooh, fire, yes, that's what we were looking for. So now I like to work in threes, especially when it comes to my concealer. So I'm going to use a concealer that is very close to my shade. I'm using it on the top of my cheekbones, down by the mouth, and on the forehead. And this is a medium. This is what I would call the medium shade. And I'm spreading that on the very top of my eyes, on my chin, down underneath the contour where the contour would go. Any place where I want light to hit. This is me going in with my contour stick, my Fenty contour stick, and contouring and drawing my face out. And what we do is I want specifically in this look, I want my cheekbones to really stand out. And what I'm doing now is using my lightest concealer. Remember, I like to work in threes, and putting that at the very, very top of where my eye begins and goes down to my cheekbone. And going down the center of my nose. And now I'm going to take a damp sponge and blend that all in. Remember, blend, blend, blend. Blending is our friend. I'm taking it up, blending all the colors nicely, and bringing it out. I'm doing a tapping motion into the skin because I want to press the color into the skin. And now I'm taking a fluffy brush and blending out that contour. I use a cream contour, to start off, but I also like to use a powder contour as well to not only set the cream, but also give it more depth. Remember, we like depth over here. Depth, not depth. So what I'm doing at this point is I took a little bit of foundation and I'm just blending all the colors in. I'm swooping in an upward motion because we don't like wrinkles and gravity pull. So you want to, when applying your foundation, you want to swoop in an upward motion. The same thing with my blush. I like to work in threes, so I used a darker color, and now I'm going in with the lighter color. And then for the highest points, I'm going to use the highlight. So either twos or threes for blush. This look, I did two blushes. So I used a darker color, a darker plummy color, and then an orange blush. And now I'm taking the colors and just sweep it into the temples of my hair. Look at that blush. You see that? So what I'm doing here is taking 3 of my setting powders that I like, and I'm setting my eyes, I'm setting my chin, that's why it looks a little white, I'm setting my forehead, I'm just setting everything that I did. We're George Foreman over here. We like to set it and forget it. So the color that I'm using, I believe is chocolate in the Covergirl collection. It is a matte. I do like matte lipsticks, but I'm going to pair it with the Fenty gloss. And it will be in the description box what exact color that is for the Fenty gloss. So now I'm highlighting all the areas that I want to bring light to my face. So that is my cheekbones, my chin, my nose, down the center of my nose, my forehead. I want the light to hit all those places and give me a nice glow. We are popping on some lashes. Ooh, pretty lashes, girl. We are fixing the white liner. We're almost done. Last finishing touches. Fix the white liner. And now we're all done. And bam. This is the final look. So I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.